Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today we're diving into Resurva, found at resurva.com, a powerful online booking platform designed to streamline appointment scheduling. Whether you're running a salon, managing consultations, or coordinating classes, Resurva offers a suite of tools to simplify your booking process and enhance the client experience. This platform is packed with features that can truly transform how you manage appointments. One of the standout features is the intuitive interface, making it easy for both you and your clients to navigate the booking process seamlessly. Resurva empowers businesses to take control of their scheduling with a customizable booking system. You can tailor the platform to match your specific needs, from setting your availability to managing staff schedules and services offered. Clients can easily book appointments online, 24/7, eliminating the back and forth of phone calls and emails. This not only saves you valuable time but also offers clients the convenience of booking at their leisure. Furthermore, automated reminders and notifications reduce no-shows and keep everyone informed. Beyond simple scheduling, Resurva offers features like integrated payments, client management tools, and reporting capabilities. Accepting payments online through the platform simplifies transactions and streamlines your financial processes. Maintaining a detailed client database allows you to personalize interactions and track client history. And with comprehensive reporting, you can gain valuable insights into your business performance and identify areas for improvement. By leveraging these robust features, businesses can optimize their operations, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately grow their bottom line. Resurva caters to a wide range of businesses, from small independent operations to larger enterprises. Its scalable nature makes it a versatile solution for various scheduling needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your existing booking system, Resurva offers a compelling platform to manage appointments effectively. So, if you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich booking solution, resurva.com is definitely worth checking out. Remember to explore the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.